What happens when your monitor updates itself and installs software you never approved? This week, LG got caught doing exactly that, and it's happening right now to thousands of Windows users who have no idea their hardware is running unauthorized code in the background. Here's the setup. LG monitors connect to your Windows computer through USB or HDMI, and LG provides software drivers to help them talk to your system. That's normal. But what's not normal is this. LG bundled something else into their Windows Update package. When your system automatically installs monitor drivers, it's also installing monitoring software that runs without your permission. Think of it like buying a car and discovering the manufacturer installed a tracking device inside the engine. You didn't know, you didn't approve it, and it's been running the whole time you owned it. The software in question isn't some malicious virus cooked up by hackers, it's LG's own application. But that's almost worse, because it shows a massive company felt comfortable silently installing code on millions of machines without getting permission first. This isn't a security flaw, it's a deliberate choice. And here's where it gets interesting. This discovery exposes a massive blind spot in how we trust hardware companies. We assume that if something comes through Windows Update, it's legitimate. We assume manufacturers are playing by the rules. This week, LG proved neither assumption is safe. Here's what's really going on. LG's gotten away with a lot of things over the years, but this one's different. The company makes monitor panels and displays for just about every kind of business and home setup. Millions of LG monitors are plugged in right now into gaming PCs, office workstations, creative studios. Most people never think about it. They plug it in, it just works, and they get on with their day. But monitors need drivers just like any other piece of hardware. A driver's basically the translation layer between your operating system and your physical device. It tells Windows how to talk to your monitor, what refresh rates to support, what resolutions are available. LG provides these drivers, and like most hardware companies, they distribute them through Windows Update so that users get patches and compatibility fixes automatically. That system makes sense in theory. You don't want to manually hunt down driver updates, you just want your monitor to work. Windows Update is convenient. It's automatic. It feels safe. Here's where LG saw an opportunity. They realized they could bundle something extra into that driver package, something that isn't necessary for your monitor to work, something that most users would never even notice was there. The thing about Windows Update is that most people don't read what's being installed. They just hit the automatic updates and trust that it's all legitimate. LG banked on that trust, and this week, security researchers proved they were right. So what exactly did LG bundle into these driver updates? The software's called LG OnScreen Control, or OSC if you want to get technical. On the surface, it sounds innocent enough. It's supposed to help you manage your monitor settings, brightness, contrast, color, temperature. You know, the stuff you'd normally access through the menu buttons on your monitor itself. But here's the thing. Those menu buttons already work without any software. Your monitor has built-in firmware that handles all of that. The LG software is redundant. It exists primarily to collect data. On-screen control hooks into your system and monitors what you're doing. It tracks monitor usage, which applications you're running, window sizes and positions, what you're displaying. It's like having a camera pointed at your screen that records everything it sees. The data gets sent back to LG's servers, not for a better user experience, but because that information has value to LG. Now, plenty of companies collect data. That's not new, but they usually ask permission first. They show you a privacy policy, you click agree, and at least you know it's happening. LG skipped that step entirely. It installed silently, hid in the background, and started collecting without so much as a notification. One of the most damning parts, you can't even easily remove it. It's deeply integrated into the Windows system. One user described it as malware that just happens to come from LG. And technically, they are not wrong. Who's affected? If you've installed Windows updates in the last few years and you own an LG monitor, there's a solid chance OnScreen Control is running on your machine right now. We're not talking about a tiny subset of users. LG monitors are everywhere: offices, schools, gaming cafes, design studios, millions of machines. Let's talk specifics. When OnScreen Control runs, it starts logging data immediately. It knows every application you open. It knows your browser history by extension. If you're working on sensitive documents, it's recording them. If you're browsing private information, healthcare portals, banking sites, all of it goes into the logging system. One researcher found that the software was recording screenshots or detailed information about every single window on your screen every time you switched applications. Imagine it this way. It's like someone sitting behind you with a notepad, writing down every single thing you do on your computer. Now imagine that person sending all those notes to a corporation without your knowledge or permission. The worst part, most users have no idea this is happening. It runs completely silently. There's no notification, no icon in the system tray, no obvious sign that you're being monitored. You're just using your monitor like normal, and meanwhile, this surveillance software is running in the background collecting everything. When security researchers discovered this behavior and published their findings, LG's response was basically a shrug. They said the software was necessary for optimal monitor function. But that's false. This isn't the first time a hardware maker has gotten caught doing something sketchy. Remember when smartphone manufacturers were caught slowing down older phones to push people toward new models? Or when printer companies were discovered limiting third-party ink cartridges? Hardware companies have a long history of prioritizing their own interests over user privacy and autonomy. But LG's approach here is bolder than most. Usually, when a company wants to collect data from you, they at least pretend to care about transparency. They'll bury it in a terms of service document that's thousands of words long. They'll throw up a privacy policy you have to click through. It's deceptive, sure, but it maintains plausible deniability. LG skipped that charade entirely. They didn't even hide the software's behavior that, well, security researchers found it relatively quickly. It's almost as if LG didn't think anyone would look. Or maybe they thought that because it's coming through Windows Update, most people would just assume it's legitimate. Compare that to what companies like Nvidia or ASUS do with their monitor software. Nvidia has been shipping graphics driver updates through Windows Update for years without bundling surveillance software alongside. ASUS lets users opt into monitoring if they want it, with a clear choice and notification. LG had options. They chose the route that prioritized their data collection over user consent. And that choice is what makes this week's discovery so damning. So what are the actual risks here? On the surface, LG's OnScreen Control doesn't steal passwords or install ransomware. It won't drain your bank account or hijack your cryptocurrency. But don't mistake the lack of obvious hacking for safety. This software gives LG a window into your entire digital life. Every email you read, every spreadsheet you open, every confidential document, every website you visit, all of it's being cataloged and transmitted to a corporate server. Now, LG probably isn't selling that data right now, but the infrastructure is in place. The precedent has been set. Corporate data policies can change. Think about what someone malicious could do with this information. If a hacker broke into LG's servers, they'd have access to millions of usage logs. They'd know which addresses users work from, what apps they use, their browsing patterns, potentially their schedules. That's weaponizable intelligence. But there's an even bigger risk that doesn't get talked about enough: the erosion of trust. When a major hardware maker proves they'll silently install surveillance software, it corrodes the entire system. Why would you trust anyone else? If LG can do this with monitors, what's to stop other hardware makers from doing the same with keyboards, mice, displays, routers? This week's discovery proves we can't rely on manufacturers to police themselves. We can't assume that just because something comes through an official update channel that it's trustworthy. And that fundamentally changes how we should think about the devices in our homes. Okay, so what can you actually do about this? If you own an LG monitor, the first step is checking whether OnScreen Control is installed on your machine. Open your Windows control panel and go to Programs and Features. You can find it by searching for Add or Remove Programs in your Start menu. Scroll through the list and look for anything with LG's branding in it. If it's there, you can uninstall it. Just click it and hit the Remove button. The uninstall process might take a few minutes, and Windows might ask you to restart your computer afterward. The good news is that removing it won't break your monitor. Your monitor will continue to work perfectly fine. All those quality features, brightness adjustment, color calibration, They all work through the monitor's built-in buttons and through Windows' native display settings. But here's the catch. When you run Windows Update in the future, LG's software might come back. You might have to uninstall it again. This is where things get frustrating. The core problem isn't technical, it's that LG is deliberately bundling this into their driver updates, and they don't seem to have any interest in stopping. Your best long-term option is to completely disable LG's driver updates in Windows Update. You can do this through your Windows settings by going to Updates and saying you want to delay or skip updates from this specific manufacturer. It's not perfect, but it stops the cycle. Here's what this week's LG discovery really means. The systems we depend on aren't as trustworthy as we thought they were. Windows Update, hardware drivers, manufacturer support tools, these are foundational infrastructure that billions of people rely on every single day. And we've just learned that one of the largest hardware manufacturers in the world felt comfortable abusing the trust to silently monitor its users. The silver lining is that this time we caught it. Security researchers did what they are supposed to do. They found the problem, published their findings, and forced LG's hand. But how many other companies are doing the exact same thing right now with software we haven't discovered yet? How many keyboards, mice, routers, or webcams are bundling surveillance code into their updates while we're not looking? The real question isn't whether LG will face consequences. It's whether this becomes a wake-up call for the entire industry. Regulators are starting to pay attention to corporate surveillance. Privacy laws are tightening, and consumers are finally demanding to know what their devices are actually doing. For you, the takeaway is simple. Don't assume that something's safe just because it comes from an official source. Check your installed programs regularly. Stay skeptical about what your hardware is doing in the background. And if you find something sketchy, report it. Subscribe for daily AI and tech news. We'll keep you updated on stories like this and what they mean for your digital life.